Good morning, dear students. Today we will be continuing our chapter number 8, that is reproduction in animals. In the previous class we have started with the life cycle. We have done the life cycle of hen. Today we will be doing the life cycle of butterfly. So students, open page number 68 of your science book. Open chapter number 8. Open page number 68 of your science book. Let us read. All insects reproduce by laying eggs. In the reproduction, we have discussed animals reproduce by two ways. One is by laying egg and the another is by young ones. So butterfly, it is an insect, so it reproduces by laying egg. This is an adult butterfly. What is the meaning of adult? Adult is the grown up. Like your parents, they are adult, you are children. So adult means grown up. So this is a grown up butterfly. This is an adult butterfly. This butterfly lays the egg. It lays the egg on the leaf of the mulberry plant. So this butterfly, it lays many eggs, 7 to 8 eggs you can say, onto the leaf of the mulberry plant. Then this egg, it hatches out. Hatches out means from the egg the baby it comes out and caterpillar is formed. This one is the caterpillar. It does not have the wings. Now the caterpillar used to eat the leaf of the plant and then slowly, gradually this caterpillar, it covers itself into a covering. This stage is known as pupa. Here you can see this is a covering. This black color, it is the covering. And inside this covering, this caterpillar, it is just like a worm. So this caterpillar, it is there inside this covering. Inside the covering, the caterpillar is there. You can say that inside this pupa, this caterpillar, it is now bigger in the size and it is inactive and it is covered by the outer covering. This one, it is the covering. Then what happens? This covering, it breaks and a beautiful butterfly, it comes outside this covering. So we can say that the life cycle of butterfly, how many stages it has? First, the butterfly lays the egg on the leaf. After laying the egg, from the egg it hatches out, and what comes out from the egg? Caterpillar. Now this caterpillar continuously feed onto the leaves of mulberry plant. Then this caterpillar, it covers itself inside a covering. This is known as the pupa. And from the pupa, the adult butterfly, it comes out. So now let us read. Take out page number 68, everyone. All insects reproduce by laying egg. So all the insects, they reproduce by laying eggs. A butterfly lay eggs on leaves. This is a butterfly. This butterfly reproduce by laying eggs onto the leaf. Each egg hatches into a caterpillar or larva. This egg, from this egg what comes out? Caterpillar. It is just like a worm. It does not have the wings. It looks like a worm. So it comes outside caterpillar. Caterpillar or larva. It is the same thing. We can say larva also or caterpillar. Caterpillar undergoes several changes before becoming an adult. Now this caterpillar, it undergoes so many changes to become an adult. It feeds on leaves for food. Now what is the food for the caterpillar? It feeds on the leaf. This caterpillar feeds means this caterpillar used to eat the leaf. Then the caterpillar becomes bigger, inactive and covers itself. Now what happened? This caterpillar used to eat the leaf when the caterpillar used to eat the leaf, what will happen? This caterpillar will grow in size, and if it will grow in size, it will become bigger and will cover itself inside a covering. This stage is called a pupa. Now this stage, when this caterpillar is covered inside a covering, this stage is called as the pupa. It is covered by a protective layer called cocoon. What is this protective layer is called? This protective layer, it is called as the cocoon. Cocoon is the protective layer inside which this caterpillar is there. The cocoon breaks after a week and a beautiful butterfly comes out of it. Now this cocoon, that is the covering, this covering, it is known as the cocoon. This covering, it breaks and a beautiful butterfly, it comes after a week. The process of changes from a young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis. So metamorphosis, it is the changing of the young into an adult. This young caterpillar, it changes into an adult. So this process of changing of the young into an adult, it is called as the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the changing of young into an adult. What is the young? Young one is the baby, and it is grown into an adult. When the young, it grow into an adult, it is known as the metamorphosis. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages, that is egg, caterpillar, pupa and adult. Insects like grasshopper and cockroach have 3 stages in their life cycle. What about the other insects like the cockroach? This have 3 stages. Butterfly has how many stages? 4 stages. But this have only the 3 stages. 4th stage is not there. What are the 3 stages what they have? They have the 3 stages of their life cycle. The baby cockroach looks like an adult cockroach but is smaller in size and does not have wings. The baby cockroach, it exactly looks like his parent, but he is not having wings. After molting many times, it changes into an adult. What is molting? M-O-U-L-T-I-N-G. Molting, it is a process of shedding of the skin. It is a process. What is molting? It is a process of shedding of skin. So the insects like the grasshopper and cockroach, they are having the 3 stages of their life cycle. Butterfly has how many stages? 4 stages. But the cockroach, grasshopper, they are having the 3 stages. Here in case of the cockroach and grasshopper, the young one, it look exactly like parent, but it is not having the wings. What is molting? It is a process of shedding of skin. Shedding means the skin is removed. This process is known as the molting. It occurs in the cockroach and grasshopper.